JEONHWA JEONHWAHAE. JEONHWA JEONHWAHAE. What does this phrase mean? If you'd notice, the word in red letter is JEONHWA, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word JEONHWA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 252. JEONHWA. JEONHWA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is Jeon, second syllable is Wa. Pronounce it with me. JEONHWA. JEONHWA. The word JEONHWA is simply the Korean noun for telephone. Again, this is the Korean noun for telephone. How do we write JEONHWA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables, and to be able to write the first syllable, Jeon, we need to draw first a jiut character, followed by an all character, followed by a neon character. For the second syllable, Hwa, we need to draw first a hiut character, followed by an all character, followed by an a character. And if you notice, the Hwa sound is formed from the combination of the o and a characters. The Hwa sound is combined with the hiut sound, which then produces the Hwa sound. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word JEONHWA. Now let's try to look at this example English term. It says telephone number. Again, it's telephone number. The Korean term for a telephone number is JEONHWA 번호. Again, it's JEONHWA 번호. This term could be subdivided into two, JEONHWA and 번호. JEONHWA is our word for today, and we already know that it talks about the physical telephone. Again, JEONHWA is just a telephone. The second one is 번호. 번호 is the Korean term for number. So when we combine JEONHWA and 번호, it will become JEONHWA 번호, which then means telephone number. Again, JEONHWA 번호 is telephone number, and it talks about the number that you can use to contact a person through a telephone. Take note that the term JEONHWA is also attached to the concept of calling someone or contacting someone. And with that, you've just learned JEONHWA. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 242 to 251. But don't forget our word for today, word number 252, JEONHWA, which means telephone. The first word for our review, word number 251, is 얼마나, and this is used to ask how much is the degree or intensity of a certain description. Word number 250 is 매워요, which means spicy. Word number 249 is 내다. This is a root verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is 얼마예요. This is considered a phrase which is used to ask how much is this. Word number 247 is 헐. This is a Korean slang used to express shock, surprise, or sarcasm. Word number 246 is 그래서, which means so. Word number 245 is 아름다운. This is an adjective which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜. This is another adjective which means bad. Word number 243 is 멀리. This is another adjective which means far. And the last for our review is word number 242, 작은, which means small. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. JEONHWAHAE. JEONHWAHAE. What does this expression mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word JEONHWAHAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 256. JEONHWAHAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is Jeon, second syllable is Hwa, third syllable is Hae. Pronounce it with me. JEONHWAHAE. JEONHWAHAE. Again, JEONHWAHAE. The word JEONHWAHAE is an informal way of saying, call me. If you could remember, one among the previously discussed word in this channel is JEONHWA, which means telephone. And we can actually transform that into a verb by adding hada at the ending. So when we say JEONHWA hada, it becomes an action of calling someone through a telephone. And JEONHWAHAE is just the present tense form of the verb JEONHWA hada. Again, JEONHWAHAE is an informal way of saying, call me. Now let's study how to write JEONHWAHAE in Hangul. The first syllable Jeon is formed from the combination of a jiat, o, and nian character. The second syllable Hwa is formed from the combination of a hi, o, and a character. And take note that the Hwa sound is formed from the combination of the o and a characters. The last syllable He is formed from the combination of a hi and a character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word JEONHWAHAE. Just to know more about the term JEONHWAHAE, we have already mentioned a while ago that it actually came from the verb JEONHWA hada. And this verb actually is very related to the noun JEONHWA, which means telephone. So, the verb JEONHWA hada is the act of calling someone through a telephone. But take note that JEONHWA hada is not yet conjugated. When JEONHWA hada is transformed into its present tense form, it becomes JEONHWAHAE. And practically, JEONHWAHAE is used to ask someone to call you. Specifically, to call you through a telephone. But this context is not limited to just calling someone through a telephone. Other kinds of phone is also applicable, like the hand phones or the cell phones. And with that, you've just learned JEONHWAHAE. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 246 to 255. But don't forget our word for today, word number 256, JEONHWAHAE, which means call me. The first word for our review is word number 255, weo, which is a polite way of asking why. Word number 254 is an kayo, which means not going or to not go. Word number 253 is an mewoyo, which means not spicy. Word number 252 is JEONHWA, which means telephone. Word number 251 is almana, and this is used to ask for the degree or intensity of a certain description. Word number 250 is mewoyo, which means spicy. Word number 249 is neda. This is a verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is 얼마예요, which means how much is this? Word number 247 is 헐. This is a Korean slang used to express shock, surprise, or sarcasm. And the last word for our review is word number 246, 그래서, which means so. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.